Hello, teachers and friends of teachers. My name is Carol from Really Good Stuff. Sorry, we had a little technical difficulty. Hopefully you're getting this now. I am here to tell you all about our brand new subscription box. It is called the Really Good Box of Stuff. This is stuff you can't get anywhere. You can only get it at Really Good Stuff. We love teachers. We hope you're going to love this box, and I am going to show you everything that's in it. First off, every single box has a theme. Can you guess what this one? It's rainbow. I'm going to now show you what's inside because, hey, there's a lot of bling and some pretty cool stuff in here. So, in every single box, you are going to find something for you, the teacher, something for your class, and something for your students. And because we just want to have a little bit of fun, you can flip this card over, and this makes a little frame. Put your kid's face through there. Take a couple photos and use it on your bulletin board. Hopefully have a little something fun for you there. What else? Something for you. Okay, this is our t-shirt, black t-shirt, really super fun, great colors, rainbow theme, and it comes in it's 100% cotton, size is small through 2XL. Hopefully there is a size there for you. Next up, one of my favorite things in this box is this poster, which I also have behind me. Share your colors and brighten the world. This is an amazing message to share with your kids. You can make a whole lesson out of this. Really teaching kids about how unique they are, how special they are, and how by doing just small things, they can brighten and change the world. And hopefully you can use this as a great lesson. On the back, after you've kind of had this lesson with kids, we have a reproducible that you can put on your copier. Just print these out, send them home with your kids, and then the kids can talk about what they learned in school when they get home. Okay, what else? For you, so, and the class, colorations, awesome, super, 8 washable classic markers, all colors, rainbow, you can use them, your kids can use them. You're gonna love these. Next up, one of my personal favorites, rainbow dice. Not black, not white, rainbow dice. The great thing about dice is that these can be used to help students. Games are wonderful, as you, I'm sure, know, to help students learn. Hope you love them. Rainbow dice, super fun. Okay, something for the students. We hear all the time that teachers need things to help to motivate students, to help to incentivize, just to let them know how much you love them, what a great job they're doing in their work. So we want to be able to give you something every single month to be able to tell your students that. So we have 24 for your class, 24 rainbow pencils. We have 24 stickers, again, when you go over that lesson, 24 stickers that the kids can wear home. And finally, we have 24 bookmarks. These are something that you can use in the class. You can use to send home with your kids, whichever books they are using and however you'd like to use them. All right, and then one more thing. We have this really cool wrap because we don't want to waste any paper. We put a poster on the back. The ways our class can share our colors and brighten the world. This goes along with the entire theme. As I mentioned, you're going to get a different theme every single month. What else do you need to know besides this having a great theme? You are going to get 6 products every single month. The value will be at least $45, if not more. You are going to love everything because it's going to be a new surprise every month. One of the things is that you may have something that has English language arts, math, science, social studies, or it could just be really good stuff. You can get the first box by going online and ordering for 50% off. Total price for your first box is $17.48. You can't even get this t-shirt for $17.48. This is an amazing deal. So check us out. Go to our URL, reallygoodstuff.com/box. I hope you love what we have. Tag your friends, share with others, and have a really good day.